Guys, Dave here. 5 easy strummers today, D, G, and A. That's all it's going to take. Let's do this. First up on the list is John Mellencamp's Authority song, aka I Fought the Law and the Law Won. Isn't that always the case? We're starting with the D chord, open 4th string first, down up on the D chord for 2, little strum on 3 and 4. So the general feel is you're going little strums on 1 and 3, big strums on 2 and 4 to emphasize that backbeat. Okay, so again, that whole first measure is 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to do that for G, little strum on 1 and down up, and big strum on 2 and 2 in. Then we're moving to A, little, that's the whole song. Number 2 on the list is Helpless by Neil Young. We're going to start off with a D chord again. We're going to play that open root this time twice. 1, 2, full strum on 3, and then down up on 4 in. So that's the general strum pattern that's going to work for this whole song. 1, 2, 3, 4 in, and we're going to do it for an A chord, so now the root's on the 5th string. 2, 3, 4 in, and now we're going to do it for the G, which is on the 6th string for the root. 1, 2, 3, 2 bars of G, so you get to do that twice. That's a whole song. Third song on our list is Yellow Ledbetter by Pearl Jam. If you haven't already noticed, I got a capo on that 2nd fret, and this one's also going to start with a D. This strum pattern is going to cross over 2 bars, so the first half of the strum pattern is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Okay, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. From here, you're going to skip and do several up strums in a row. Skip again. One more. So it's 1, 2, 3, down, up, miss, up, down, up, down. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, down, up, down, up. So we're going to do that for D, then A, then G, and then D, and that's the whole form. So here it is on D. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, A. Fourth song on the list is Man of Constant Sorrow by the Soggy Bottom Boys. You know, that whole old brother we're out there thing. This is going to start with a D chord. Again, we're going to play just the root, full chord on D, and then ideally you would miss and just go up, down, up, or and 4 in. So it's like 1, 2. Okay, so it's tempting, I'm sure, for some people to leave their hand below. 1, 2, up, down. It's a good feel, but keeping the rhythm of the nonstop flow is also a good thing. So 1, 2, you got 4 Ds, G, A, D, From there, it repeats, but the second time through, there's a tag. It goes to A again. Last song on our list is Bad Moon Rising by Credence Clearwater Revival, aka CCR. We're going to start off with a D chord again, big surprise there. Essentially the same strum pattern as our last song, but instead of just playing the root on one, we're going to play a full chord on beat one, and then we're going to mute it. We're going to karate chop that with our right hand. 1, 2. We'll play again on 2 and let it ring, and that'll leave us for the up, down, up after, just like the other one. Okay, so the full strum pattern is 1, 2, miss, up, down. Again, you can get lazy if you want. You know, who am I to police you? So the verse is going to do a bar of D, and then the second bar is just A, G, G, and then 2 more bars of D. Here it is again. Here it is again slower. You'll do that 4 times in a row for the verse, and then it's going to go to the chorus, which is the same strum pattern for G. 1, 2, 3. Twice on G, twice on D. To A twice. Just kidding, once. 1 G. That's all she wrote. Guys, thanks so much for hanging out for these 5 easy tunes. If you found this helpful and or fun, please give a like and subscribe, and we hope to see you next time. Cheers.